talk a lot about inflation. We talk about rising rates. We talk about rising home prices, right? First-time home buyers are probably going into a situation where it's one of the hardest times to go buy a home.
Absolutely.
If you're going and saying, hey, I want to do this on my own or start up. Yeah. So I get a lot of people that need gift funds. A lot of people need support from family. A lot of people need somebody else on the application. And so I think you're starting to see people adjust or adapt, but it's maybe not, you go back 2 years and I would be thinking, is this really where we're going to be at, in this short window of time, 2 years, What do you think? I mean, do you think?
I agree. I mean, listen, if you go along normal course of things, you would never think that. But that just goes to show anything can happen in the world. And if it does, everything and everyone makes adjustments. It's the same thing with technology and working from home. We sped up 10 years of technology of being able to work from home in like 6 months.
Yeah.
So number one, we're capable of adapting to things very quickly if we need to, if the whole system can shift as one. The problem is trying to get the whole system to shift as one.
Well, and to Dan's point, I bought my house 19. I think it was
in 2019.
Yeah, early. So I think it went for 320, and now they're saying it's around 500.
Absolutely, and guarantee it is.
That's 3 years, and if I would have spent 500 then, I was expecting a mansion.
I'll list your house for you, man. I'll give you a good deal.
I'm not. So, where am I going to sleep? Your house?
But I'll get paid as a realtor.
Rick's saying something.
Hold on.
So to piggyback on what Dan brought up, in an actual experience, and I think that this is probably happening more than I realize because I'm in property management, but we got a call, and I got a hold of Dan on it from a lady who owns her own business. She wanted to put down $60,000, and she was trying to stay within her budget, and she wanted a 3-bedroom house. Well, a couple of years ago, it was a reality.
What was her price point?
She didn't have a price point. She was trying to figure out how much she could actually buy.
Gotcha.
And when she found out how much she could buy, she couldn't do it. And so now she's having to raise her monthly rate in order to even get close to being able to try and find a 3-bedroom property. And I think a lot of people are finding that out. And that's why they're then changing to the family dynamic or so on and so forth.
Dude, I showed a house yesterday in Summerlin. It was built in 2014. And it was like 3,400 square feet, whatever. It had a nice backyard. But it was bought brand new from Lennar in 2014 in Summerlin for $650. It's on the market for 1.4.
Yeah.
You're seeing that a lot. If you look at some of the history,
650, 1.4.
You're seeing that a lot, though. How many times I've seen?
Dude, all the time. I mean, 8 years.
Right.
Jeez.
I want to bring something up.